igsuon, magandang araw at welcome to another vlog. Sa mga bago pa lang dito sa channel ko, try niyong bisitahin ang channel para sa iba pang mga videos. At kung nagustuhan niyo ang mga videos ko, click subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified if there's a new video uploaded. Ang South Road Properties dito sa Cebu City ay isa sa mga locations na sa kasalukuyan ay naging sentro ng infrastructure boom. Andyan ang Il Curso Cebu. We also have the SMC side, which has become a very iconic infrastructure kasi sa kanyang kakaibang architecture. Soon, ang C-Select Bridge will be operational and open to motorists, helping ease out traffic congestion, which in turn promote tourism. Another great architectural display is the ongoing construction of Isla de la Victoria, which will transform Cebu into a major Asian entertainment hub. Now, our new addition to SRP's infrastructure developments is the South Coast City. South Coast City Cebu is a joint development project ng dalawang malalaking korporasyon. Ito ang Ayala Land at SM Development Corporation. This will be a 26-hectare master plan development envisioned to be the entertainment center of the Visayas region. This multi-billion project has the following: a 16,000-seater arena, at ito ay magiging preferred destination for major local and international entertainment and sporting events. A convention center, and will be one of the largest in Cebu once finished. It has hotels and condominiums and located along Cebu South Coastal Road in SRP or South Road Properties. Magkakaroon ng pedestrian network na magdudugtong sa lahat ng main areas of the development, and it will also connect to a 1-hectare park, which is one of the main attractions of South Coast City. Another employment opportunity for the Cebuanos, mga igsoon. In addition sa mga existing at operational na mga establishments, andyan na rin ang Cebu Ocean Park, Pedro Calungsod Chapel na nasa tabi lang ng SMC side. Abang-abangan na lang mga igsoon o mga kapatid ang ongoing na construction ng Cebu Arena at Convention Center sa South Coast City. Talagang isa itong malahiganting atraksyon ng Cebu City in the future. Hanggang dito na lang at salamat sa panonood. Peace mga kapatid.